Hey there, foodies! Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to every parent's heart, teaching kids healthy eating habits. Did you know that children's eating habits are formed by the age of 5? It's crucial to start early and instill good practices from a young age. Now, let's talk about the importance of parents in shaping their children's relationship with food. Parents play a pivotal role in teaching kids about nutrition, making healthy choices, and fostering a positive attitude towards food. One of the biggest challenges parents face is dealing with picky eaters, navigating through unhealthy food marketing targeted at kids, and juggling busy schedules that can make meal planning a real struggle. But fear not. There are practical tips and strategies to help parents encourage healthy eating habits in their children. From involving kids in cooking to creating a positive food environment at home, small changes can make a big difference. Now, here comes the key moment. Consistency and positive reinforcement are essential in instilling lifelong healthy eating habits in children. By setting a good example, offering a variety of nutritious foods, and praising good choices, parents can pave the way for a healthy future for their little ones. In conclusion, parents hold the key to teaching kids healthy eating habits that will benefit them for life. Remember, the impact of these habits goes beyond just physical health, it influences children's overall well-being and development. So, foodies, let's keep the conversation going. Share your own experiences and tips in the comments below. And don't forget to check out more videos on parenting and nutrition on our channel. Together, we can raise a generation of healthy eaters.